Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to enable Bluetooth, then go to the Bluetooth section by holding your finger on it, and after you see Galaxy Buds Live in the list of the available devices, just tap on them. Then they're going to download some software. Tap continue. Okay, yeah, please do. And you're all set. And that's how you can add this connect to these headphones. So if you want to disconnect from them, just tap on the gear icon here, and then you can either disconnect or just unpair this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.